Shwa bangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo kloy ki kubor na ke jela.
Ke Rotary Club Jowai kawei na ki kynhun treimon sngewbha ban synñiang ye ki babha hapoh ke imlang ke sahlang ha ke tarik Risaw ke Pynlong ya ke program pynkup burom. Appreciation and Recognition Award ya ke tnad ke koit ke kya kumju ya ke Home Guard and Civil Defence Department jong ke West Jaiñtia Hills ki bratri shitam bante lakam na ke jing sapriang ke jing pang COVID khat kendai ha kini ke Arsenal baladem. Ya kini ke jing pynkup burom la Pynlong ha Infinity Conference Hall Moralong ha ke jing ya dan lang Dr. P.Nongtdu Principal ke Jaiñtia Eastern College Klirian upalong kum kongsan Rotarian Easter F Director of Community Service Rotary Club Jowai haba jingkren ulpun sngau ya ke jingya nanti ha ke kam chakri jong ke Rotary International da ke boong ru baka Rotary ke tre halor kilaitali ki edge kata kamut health hunger humanity ha ke ju kapor la ongkum ki khot jongka ki de ban tre ru halor kilaitali ki o ka bamut open mind open heart open hands. Nakaliang ukongsan u Dr. P.Nongtdu la ai ke jingro ya ka Rotary Club Jowai kabalong kum kawei na kiseng kabla ai jing shikri ya ka bha kamiat ha ke imlang ka sahlang la ai mensim kum ru ya baro ki blasha pynkup burom.
So today I am tasked with the reading of the profile of our honorable chief guest, Dr. Tervison,
and encourage us to move forward ahead. I also welcome our friends, Dr. Swear, who is a district Pynkup with its motto, Service of Ourselves, has created this opportunity for the members of the club to give their precious time.
Family. So, on behalf of Rotary Club of Jowai, myself as the president, I apologize for the inconvenience that we couldn't start.
And all the dignified dignitaries present here, well, we are actually very humbled and overwhelmed.
But appreciation, as my colleague had just said, is, I mean, it's an encouragement.
Now, I will start reading our dashing smart Rotarian Frankie Laloo. Frankie Laloo came from a very humble family of Kamwadae Syngkon and a son of Montri Laloo and Montri Passah. I call him Montri because he's my cousin brother.
So that time I was invited and then yes, thank you again for your recognition. And this kind of recognitions boost our moral, and especially our children when they look up to the certificates, it kind of motivates them and enhances.
Okay, he is the managing director of cement plants there in Jaiñtia Cement. But at that time I did my PhD honors in chemistry. But I thought, yes, I'll get the chemist in his cement plant. But when I came to his home, he said, no, you are not fit to be there. Okay, you better continue your study. So okay, I said, no problem.
It was supposed to do last 2 years back, but because of the lockdown of pandemic, we could not. But of course, we have done something. At initial stage, the first phase of the COVID-19, we did.